When it comes to attraction and relationships, the most overlooked truth is this: women rarely miss a man simply because of what he gives them, gifts, money, or constant attention. Instead, they miss a man because of how he makes them feel in his presence and in his absence. Missing someone is an emotional response, a psychological pull, and yes, even a physiological reaction driven by the brain's reward and bonding systems. Let's break down 5 powerfully simple ways any man can make a woman genuinely miss him. 1. Emotional imprint over physical presence. When you spend time with a woman, the key isn't the quantity, it's the quality. Did you make her laugh? Did you listen deeply, making her feel truly seen and heard? Neuroscience tells us that when someone feels emotionally validated, the brain releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. This creates a memory loop that makes her crave your presence long after you're gone. So instead of trying to impress with grand gestures, focus on creating small, unforgettable emotional imprints. 2. Mastering the power of space. Counterintuitive as it sounds, closeness grows in distance. If you are always available, her brain stops triggering desire because there is no gap to fill. By taking intentional space, whether it's pursuing your own goals, engaging in hobbies, or simply not over texting, you allow her subconscious to register your absence. That gap creates curiosity, anticipation, and ultimately the longing that makes her miss you deeply. 3. Consistency with mystery. A woman misses a man who is steady, but never fully predictable. This balance creates what psychologists call secure tension, a dynamic where she feels safe yet intrigued. Send thoughtful messages, but not at the exact same time every day. Share parts of your world, but not every detail. This combination allows her to feel connected while leaving her imagination active, which is one of the most powerful tools in human desire. 4. Anchoring special moments. Memory works through association. When you create unique, emotionally charged moments, like a shared joke, a special place, or even a simple ritual, her mind automatically links those to you. Later, when she encounters anything that reminds her of that anchor, the emotional memory will resurface, making her miss you without even realizing why. 5. Living with purpose beyond the relationship. The most magnetic men are those who live for something greater than the relationship itself. When you demonstrate passion, whether in your career, fitness, creativity, or personal growth, you radiate independence and strength. This signals to her subconscious that you are not needy, and paradoxically, that independence makes her desire your presence more. She misses you not because you chase her, but because your energy pulls her toward you. Final thought: to make a woman miss you is not about manipulation, it's about balance, authenticity, and emotional impact. Be the man who creates meaningful moments, honors space, keeps a touch of mystery, anchors unforgettable memories, and lives with purpose. When you do, missing you won't be a choice she makes. It will be a natural response her heart and mind cannot resist.